Welcome back to our channel Sarath'S New Tech. So today I'll be showing you how you can create this effect. So this is the final output that you'll be getting after doing all the steps I say. So do follow whatever I'm telling, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's get started. So for this particular effect you will be needing just two images. One is the image that you are trying to convert it into this effect, and other one is a PNG image of the ink splash. So I'll be importing both the image you need and the PNG image into the Photoshop. I'll give the link of the sample PNG ink splash image in the description below, so do check that out if you want to try. So I have opened this ink splash PNG and I have opened the image which I am going to convert. Now you have to go to file and then click new, and you have to create a new custom document. I'll be creating an HD, that is 1440 pixel in 1000 ppi, and click this create button. And then you will be getting this untitled document. Now what we have to do is we have to click on that sample PNG, hold control button, click on the image and then drag it and drop it to this new untitled PNG. It will be a little small because of the resolution difference. So for that you just have to go to your left side, this particular tool which is called the rectangular marquee tool. Click that, right click on your image, click free transform, and then you will be able to transform your ink splash PNG into whatever size you need. So I think this will be good for this effect, so click the tick mark on the top. After that you have to go to your particular image, and on your right side you will be seeing a particular palette which has learn, libraries and adjustments. In these adjustments you will find different icons, and in that you have to find a particular icon called the threshold. When you find this threshold icon, do click that icon, and then you will see that the image is automatically converted into a posterized foam. And in this threshold properties you will be seeing a small what do we call this shape? It's kind of a triangle but not a triangle anyway. Click this shape and move it to the left, then it will be white. Move it to the extreme right, it will be black. So you have to find that perfect position at which your face is clear as well as the background is clear. So I think this is good for this particular image. Once you reach that, just minimize the properties, and then on your right side in the layers menu you have to right click on that threshold one, whatever is created, right click that and click the flatten image button. Once you flatten this image, you will be getting this particular image. Now as we did earlier, hold your control button, but before that make sure this rectangular marquee tool is selected. Hold your control button and drag this particular image and drop it here. So now you can see the image is a little bit oversized. So you have to press Ctrl minus minus. So you will be getting smaller. So you will be getting smaller zoomed out window. Right click that, hit free transform, and then you have to minimize. You have to zoom out. You have to align whatever your image is so that it fits your ink splash. So hit Ctrl plus plus to zoom back again. But now there is a problem. You are not able to see that ink splash effect behind. So without that data it will be impossible, it will be very difficult to minimize this image. So for that you have to go and click your layer 2 and you will see opacity. Click that and reduce that opacity to somewhat 50%. Now the behind layer is visible, and then you have to minimize your image as per the requirement. And once you find that perfect alignment, you have to click the tick mark button on top. And now go to your layer 1, which is your ink splash PNG layer. Click the rectangular marquee tool, right click, hit free transform, again right click. You will be seeing this distort button. Click distort and then you have to arrange, you have to make this align with your image. So with that I think this is better. Okay, and this one seems pretty fine. Then click the tick button again and make sure you select your layer 2 and make the opacity back to 100%. And now we'll make that ink splash effect. For that, make sure layer 2 is selected and you will see the blending option on top is normal. Click that normal and make it to difference. Once you make it to difference, you will see that the ink splash effect has already been applied to this image. But this is not the final result. For the final result, what you have to do, you have to click the layer 1 again and hover your mouse over that small rectangular view window inside that layer 1 and press hold of the control button and click that. Now you can see that that particular layer is being selected. Now what we are going to do is we are going to remove whatever element is outside that ink splash effect. So now the ink splash effect is selected. Now we have to select whatever is outside that. For that you have to select this rectangular marquee tool, which will be already selected by default, and right click this image and click select inverse. Once you do select inverse, you have to remove this from the original image. Make sure you click the layer 2 here. Once you click the layer 2, you have to hit the delete button on your keyboard. Now we need a black background for this image to look a little bit good. So now you have to create a new layer. Now for that you have to go down and you will see a trash bin icon here, and near to the trash bin icon you will see a small file like image, and that is a new layer. Click that, a new layer will be created. Now click this circular button and click solid color, and now select black color, hit OK. Now since this solid color is in top of all the other layers, we are not able to see the image. So click and hold this image and drag it down just above the background. And now you are able to see this particular image. Now you have to click the crop tool and you can make it into whatever shape you want. So I'll be choosing a square shape. So make that into a square shape and click tick button. Now since I have missed out selecting some part because it was hidden, we just have to click this layer 2, click the rectangular marquee tool, select this particular thing and hit the delete. Now that goes away. But this is not aligned, so you have to align this particular image so that it comes in the middle. Hit OK, and now your final image is ready. Now you can just hit on file, save as, make sure it is JPEG, give that a name. I'll give ink splash, ink splash, and hit save and hit OK. So now you can see our final ink splash effect is ready. So this is how you can create a simple ink splash effect using Photoshop. So if you like this video, do hit a like and do check out other videos in the channel, and I'll be uploading much more good videos in this channel, so do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So until next time, bye bye.